Hello guys and welcome to my new video. This video is on primordial black holes. So don't resemble these black holes with the ordinary black holes. These are completely different black holes. So I request you to please watch this whole video. This is gonna be very interesting. Before starting this video, I want to request you guys that I am just 6 subscribers away to complete my 300 subs. So I request you to please subscribe my channel. Now let's start this video. The theory of black hole was first proposed in 1966 by two Soviet physicists. Since after that there are many theories have been introduced on black holes. Astronomers categorize all these black holes into three types: stellar mass black holes, intermediate black holes and supermassive black holes. But there is also another type of black hole which astronomers haven't yet seen but think could exist. These are primordial black holes. The size of these black holes can range from 100,000 times less than a paperclip to about 100,000 times greater than the Sun. It has been calculated that black holes having mass lower than a planet would not have survived to present due to Hawking radiation. The theory of primordial black holes are seen as a key source for finding the dark matter because there are few properties of black holes which resemble with that of a dark matter, like they don't emit light, not even they move at a speed of light, and like dark matter, black holes are also cannot be directly detected. We know that about 85% of the missing mass of this universe is contained within this dark matter. So this theory tells us that these dark matter consist of tiny primordial black holes, which contain the major mass of this dark matter. But there is one problem in this concept. Black holes are formed by the death of stars, which were not yet present in the primordial universe. Since the presence of dark matter is necessary in the history of the universe, so here the question still remains that how did the primordial black holes originated? The theory behind their origin was first studied by Stephen Hawking in 1971. Primordial black holes were born very early in the life of the universe, mere a fraction of a second after the Big Bang. Because the space was not completely homogeneous, some areas were denser and hotter than the others, and these dense regions could have collapsed into black holes. Suppose that somehow these black holes came into existence after the Big Bang. So how we can find them now? The main purpose behind the detection of this black hole is to find out their masses. So there are many ways through which we can detect these black holes, but I will discuss only three of them and the other will be mentioned in the description. I will make you understand this by an example. Suppose that we are observing a star for a long period of time. So it makes possible that when a compact non-luminous object passes between us and an observed star, it becomes easily noticeable because its luminosity is temporarily amplified. But this theory is not quite acceptable because we cannot verify that which type of object is passing between us and that observed star. So this theory is not much satisfactory for the detection of the primordial black holes. After Big Bang, when the primordial black holes were formed, matter accretion onto primordial black holes lead to the emission of high energy photons, which affects the recombination history of this universe. This in turn affects the statistical properties of the cosmic microwave background anisotropies. So the observation of this CMB excluded that primordial black holes may have mass in the range of about 100 to 10,000 solar masses. The most mysterious object of the cosmos are the supermassive black holes. None of the scientists have ever claimed with surety that how these black holes were formed. Since our universe is not too much old, the stars which were burst and formed the universe's first black holes, so far even they had not got so much time or material so that they can become the supermassive black holes. These black holes are millions or billions times the mass of the Sun. They can't be created by one or even several exploding stars. Astronomers don't know how these black holes got in the center of massive galaxies and what created them. perhaps they are built from the primordial black holes, serving as a seed out of which supermassive black holes could grow. In March 2016, when gravitational waves were first detected by LIGO, one thing came into great effect, that perhaps the two colliding black holes are probably a primordial black hole. The masses of the two black holes were calculated of about 30 solar masses. This incident strong revived interest in primordial black holes, which have masses between 1 to 100 solar masses. In August 2019, a research team had published that primordial black holes having mass between this to this had the possibility of making up all the dark matters. In September 2019, a report was proposed that a primordial black hole about the size of a tennis ball exists in the Kuiper belt of our solar system. They tried to explain the orbital anomalies that are theorized to be the result of a ninth planet. Scientists are using the Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope to observe the small interference pattern within the gamma ray bursts so that they could get the evidence of a primordial black hole, which can also prove the string theory. So guys, that's all for this video. Hope you have liked this video. If not, then please like this video. It takes my lots of effort to make one video, and your one like motivates me a lot. And if you think that this content was good, then please share this video with your friends. And I am very close to 300 subscribers, so please subscribe my channel and help me to reach the 300 subs. So at last, thank you for watching.